In the Philippines, some devout Catholics voluntarily take part in crucifixion reenactments during Holy Week, particularly on Good Friday. This tradition is most notably practiced in San Fernando, Pampanga. Participants, often motivated by deep faith or a desire for penance, willingly endure being nailed to wooden crosses as a symbolic act. Some participants take part year after year, often driven by intense religious beliefs or as a part of family tradition. While their identities may not always be widely publicized, some have gained attention for their dedication, such as Ruben Enaje, who has famously undergone crucifixion multiple times after surviving a near-fatal accident. Ruben Enaje, also known as the Christ of Pampanga, Enaje began participating in crucifixions after surviving a fall from a 3-story building in 1985. He saw this as a miracle and vowed to reenact the crucifixion yearly as an act of gratitude and penance. Enaje has been crucified more than 30 times.